Queenie. Diba? Wala na medication ni Matay may masik sa niya. Diba? Love you like it's hot. Diba? Aki. Kung nag-primitin, wala na yung nakakalawan. Ano ka na hindi ko nagsablay na yung always mag-road si Diretsa kung makilang mo na po pinikani. Ako ito sa next niya kain. Malagan yung kaya so you have to have kami one meal price. Gusto ako bebe ang pinili na bangsa ko kaya sila kami na bangsa na
look at me run through my old hood, but I'm in my new hood. Same old attitude, but I'm on my new.
Yeah, bring the money, come on.
Yeah, baby, what you talking about, man?
How not?
On the Northern Sea, baby. Yeah.
I really did.
Hey, baby.
How we in here?
You know, I just thought it would be so nice to say hi to my girl for old time's sake. Bring your ears, baby.
Yeah, we were all sunny there. But when you never give your own support,
My pleasure. Nice, yeah, good.
man, you don't see me, buddy.
Oh, baby. How can I forget a girl like you, baby? How about a little chips for old time's sake?
I should do those at the question.
Yeah, baby, you sound kind of angry.
Of course, minutes.
What are you doing?
You think it's a total you want to let me out to go to America? Eh?
Could you just speak your voice out, please? Ain't nobody got to know about the kids in there because you already have sound support in them.
Oh, you see my feet, you know, tomorrow, one next month, I'm a year or two, pick it in. Eh? Put yourself in a mic, she's not telling you that way.
You see, that's where you go wrong, right? You need to understand, this survival is the name of the game, baby. You just gotta do what you gotta do, right? So you gotta lie, yo. You gotta rock, you gotta rob, yo. Even if you got to sell your assets, you just gotta do what you gotta do, baby.
Dear. I have to hit them at some point, you know.
I get one.
You know, you're so wicked boy in the church. Yeah. I get what people say. I'm not a neighbor, so I'm going to 2 weeks, I'm going to find him. And the little people look at me and say, Mommy, we're not in there. And it's like the truth, put the time in the morning, because fall out as you put on America.
Sports in the neck, that hurts so ladies. Yo, listen to me, I ain't come here to get your sorry ass story, alright? Baby, I came to say hi. Goodbye.
It's alright, dear. It's alright. Why does it sound so real when I forgot you when we young and fool and bring some kids, man? What I want to give me all the money I'm picking you up. I want my name and I know say God not sleep.
Yeah, kid. No, sir. Eh? and God not sleep. But people not sleep neither. No. That's what I'm saying. I'm a son of picnic. Have you a picnic? But somebody know about it? What the hell wants some here about this? Can't hear about the war here. Hear this? Hear even if I got to say my heart. Two for the right, I'm not going to sell out the 8. And the core I had over 4 weeks. Yes, I'm going to throw about the 8 now. When they throw about the 8, then I know the difference tomorrow. Yeah. Remember Carly back. When I tell about that night, she used to it. When I'm not don't hear me.
I don't know what you want with chicken and it looks like on the flat screen TV. Then turn on the TV, the flat screen.
Flat screen and what else? That never turn the wall. Men set my plane right.
What are you come out this morning?
Yeah, man, if you come to the 1 and 2
Hey, so what can you start cook?
I'm going to carry them along.
Last year couldn't go to Charlie, they never come.
No, we're going to carry them up on trip aqua style.
Oh, by the way, last year, which one for next day?
FedEx?
Yeah.
You know what FedEx going to crack so cheap?
So far.
I'm far, let's go for man far than that. London, the man, never ever for parcel.
No, you're not. Oh, my friend named Brown from New York.
Yeah.
Must say, my friend said 2 minutes after I must want to take to college kids.
And we're going there there. The next of them that you look at them is sleep and wake up. You can't get up when you're FedEx now. Maybe it's only going to get really in bed too much.
Later.
Come on.
You see my big father?
Wait.
My big father, you see him?
Which one of them?
No, I get right.
Which one?
They look like one man ever said, no.
Maybe stop telling me, but it don't look like a one-man body. Come here, see about the man protest. How are you? Maybe some of you get more talk from the other day, you know.
Talk together.
Maybe you say you're going to Sammy something, but make sure the Sammy is a good man. And be careful what you do. If you lock him up from now to the next month in March.
He's a wicked evil boy.
Oh, you mean to that even if the day come from foreign and 94 ton.
So what have to do with me?
Get Dave and put the Sammy.
Look at him, I'm not interested.
What do you mean interested?
I'm interested.
You're not putting now going to waste the Senate and I'm making the house and I'm up there free pan. Somebody will come here and feel like a damn girl.
This campaign.
Most of us about camping, the people don't stop sleeping and going out to school.
You see you?
You're too man confused. And that's
Yeah,
it.
that is actually.
Hey, look, you be here. You think I'm a man confused. She's not confused. She's not confused. No, me don't want to hear nothing. You don't want to hear mix up. We don't want to hear mix up. Me not going to church. Jesus is calling me. We're meeting at the outside. We don't want to hear. We don't want to hear. You're doing it to mix up, man. But yeah, don't tell me Sammy's a wicked dirty boy. I know what you're saying.
Sammy, no, you don't have to talk to me.
What you say?
No, what? People want to see me.
Wait. Remember that big yellow rat? People are going to say what you have.
Never tell them I'm not clear.
Maybe it's a wicked girl.
No, man.
Yeah, take the boy behind my back and don't want to give me the money.
No, let's just see me. I'm going to tell you.
It can't slip you, not slip you. So you have to do it, man. It can't slip you. So,
What do you want to do? You know what here?
well, you're at force.
Mr. Lachi, see me come in this morning.
Hello, so when you today?
You didn't reach it, man.
Hello, you notice I may open up late and the website open up early.
Someone saying, when the client coming on, he bring one big flower stuff.
Jesus.
Mr. Lachi, all the flowers big, we have to tilt it.
Hold on.
Eh?
You bring it back. Tell me more now.
Tell me more.
Let me not tell you.
Me this one here to my temple theology.
Alright. So you know, he came and all the patterns to me now. But if you want something, did you see?
One casket.
No.
Church.
No.
Pastor. Tombstone. The normal song.
If you want big box of chocolate, so. Mr. You want to tell me so man get flowers and chocolate that me them wants?
I got more to tell you.
Yeah.
How much time she get flowers and chocolate? No time. You see no man beside her? Where are my rotten teeth? The boy come back for 2 ice for 2 candies and 2 peanut sausage. That don't make me feel better. Also, I remember you say on the side, man. Sure.
Let me tell you the lyrics, man.
No, you can get the person.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, tell the lyrics. No, man, it's
The boy that's talking like someone like you, no knowing.
Oh, God, you play hard to get.
Yeah.
You play hard to get? Yeah, we don't know so easy does it.
So I'm saying, when the boy comes to take the one last sheet, but see freedom himself and I don't stop.
Jesus, yeah.
Yeah. And when he has to say, yeah, maybe, me wait for my lady.
I said that.
From the boy at
Now,
all.
boy, sure. You don't feel the truth, you say that in there. Who for Jesus? Hey, get on in the breakfast, come on. No boy. What?
Watch TV.
Walk in section, come out there, son. All right, let's see now, come out there, son. All right, let's see, I'm going to carry card around.
Let's see later.
Hey, yeah. Oh, yes, I did.
Oh no, since I'm like a girl.
Oh, you know,
Keep on waiting for me. You know what? Keep on waiting for me.
you know, you the damn liar, but they want to buck. If they want to buck, all let us go foreign with the 2 people in the dread. You want to kill everybody off a tree? Off a tree, people!
Mr. Tipo.
Mr. People, honorable people, Queen Council, Veteran of War. Yeah.
Tipo, we say what?
Listen, if they want to, all ingredient left, you put it in the drink.
Not like that. Because Tipo, you don't sleep on that time.
One night sleep, how many get news on the sleep?
Tipo, please. You know I think we have to go, please. Let's talk.
Listen, we're going to the drink.
Maybe great, sir. It's just that we need to do love on sir.
I'm looking at the damn food.
Tipo, maybe tell how we go now. Maybe tell how we go, sir. How we go again? Yes, I'm going to talk to you.
Yes.
Boy, everything lovely bother than your son. Lovely bother.
Oh.
But he may understand.
He understand.
No. So you know, we want to know, I never understand the man on the side, right?
Oh.
So also come the journey, come inside, because the journey understanding.
Oh.
Let me go for us in one time, then 2 times, and then other time, somebody that you two put them on the dread, sir.
You can't understand me.
Yes, but you understand me, man.
Hey, God, shut man, you can't understand you, but free.
Tipo, me do anything in the sun.
No,
No,
Get up! Everything is in your what are we doing, necklace? What's the one you can't have a sloppy skin? What? Jesus! 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 Hallelujah! And the thing is that I tell you, I was feeling on you. Jesus! Hallelujah! We, the man. make us learn shit now. Yeah. Because I got fire. They have my cable. My seat on YouTube. Tell it. What's up with you? What's up with you? What's up with you? What's up with you? It sounds like a booty cat. They say sound like a booty cat. You are the cat that needs a booty. So what you drinking now?
Well, right now, we got no sponsor in Boston, so we're sitting in the can.
You see me up?
Penny.
One in the coming up. 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 One answer. One answer. One answer.
Hey, it means anything.
Anything?
Give me a scruple. Hey. I mean, we should be anything, dog.
You think I didn't know that they out? That's so much fine people start. Cut the word short. Henny. Henny sick. Sick. Sick.
Mix it up. Give it to her.
Jesus.
Yeah. Go.
Yeah.
No. We can't drink fancy or nothing about.
Why?
We need party cups, yo.
What kind of one?
We need party cups.
You sit in and you tell yourself. Drink over this and put the head in and say, Azan. So they feel like Carnoco. Jesus. I love that TV so bad here. And then please, I like boy free. Like another big steal, and they say, good, yo, what's up? Man, look in the eye. Here,
nothing.
It's not a deal, listen. Jesus. That thing. Jesus. And the fuck that thing is on. What means different. Jump on the phone line and feel like a core. Who's done everything in me? Jesus. No, man, I think it's too late. Oh,
Come on, man. Drink my water.
come on. We know it, that word. Now what?
Drink it like a man.
Now what?
Shoot it, take that drink, man.
Will not be separated. Yeah. Yeah, someone will break man. Hey, what is it? Let's go, we love you. Jesus. We look to it, yeah. Jesus. Right now, come on. What's your thing? Show them all the man. Come on, think like a man.
Mas não é não, pô. Oi, né? Baby, Mavis is everybody, baby. Mavis is daddy. Mavis gets along with all the niggas that are on there. Mavis a nigga them dogs.
Keep going. Yo, what the drone says was on the line, yo.
Yes, what drone says what is his name? Yeah, see what is the name?
You know what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you all this all up and rate you.
They gave him all of this because they want to rape me. What is wrong with them foreign here?
Yo, come on, right now I'm gonna record you, dog. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Come on.
What is that?